Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday 30th of June, and here we are. So yesterday there was a huge discussion regarding how Bitcoin can come down to break the right shoulder, which so far you're on the verge of breaking the right shoulder, and in my opinion, nothing is looking quite good. Today's Thursday. Even if there was a pump, there could be a Thursday trap. Okay, so we do know what a Thursday trap really is if you've been following the channel, of course. But if you're new, the Thursday trap is that they like to actually move the prices a little bit higher on a Thursday to drop the prices further down coming the weekends. Okay, so it's a preparation of a dump when you stretch all over to the weekend. So what I'm going to say is we do have some bearish pattern that and the technical target of that bear pattern has not been met. So when you came to the downside like this, you made a bear flag just like that. You broke it, you came for the retest, got rejected right over there, and right now you're going to take the top here to the bottom, and from wherever you did break it out, you're looking for Bitcoin to come to $19,197 or $19,200, which actually destroys this level. And when you destroy that level, then that's not a good sign for continuation to the upside. So what I want to bring is today is that Bitcoin is on the verge of going to $9,500, okay, or $9,400 if you want to say it. And there is a pattern that I actually noticed, and it's been a while that I haven't talked about how you turn off the log scale and you reanalyze every single little thing. So let's go into the daily first of all before I dive into the main thing about it. So we have some very clear three black crows right over there, continuation pattern. As far as I see things, you're still about to take out this low, $19,743, and then boom, you still continue to go to the downside. Now, we saw a lot of altcoins making some amazing move to the upside, of course, but the thing is that Bitcoin didn't really move as expected. I was expecting a little bit of that relief, maybe to $25,000, because once again, when the market is moving down like this, so many people are gonna get bearish, really like bearish, and then from there, they like to actually open even way more shorts. So maybe just go a little bit higher to liquidate people, take out the stop losses, and then continue with the downtrend. Now, there are some few things to talk about when it comes to the bearish side of Bitcoin. Number one is on the daily. I do recognize that this was a bear flag actually that never really got broken. Never really got broken, which means never got invalidated. The technical target of that bear flag actually was never met. So if I actually bring in this top to the bottom technical target here, you're still looking for Bitcoin to come down to $15,531. But it doesn't end really there. It really doesn't end there. Now let's do the fun part of it. And what I'm going to do is turn off the log scale, right? Switching off the log scale, we're going to dive into the weekly. And this is where I want to actually point out the main elephant in the room, okay? And that is, you do have a flag here. You see, that was like a bearish rectangle that you printed out. And this is a continuation pattern, especially when you're moving in a downtrend like this. You make that sideways movement, you just continue as much as you came from this level, is how much you continue to drop in that level. And in simple words, let's actually do this. I'm gonna take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're actually breaking it out. And you can see if I do place it here, then Bitcoin is actually coming all the way down to $9,000, $9,200, $9,500, okay? So I'm gonna actually mark this off. And this comes when you turn off the log scale. And it's really important to actually analyze Bitcoin when the log scale is turned off. And why not? Why not can you come to $9,120? The reason why you can really come down to $9,200 it does make sense. If this is your bullish bull market top right there, then this bearish market can take you for a 86% drop to the downside. It's not a big deal. We do know the Bitcoin does love to drop 86%. Who knows? It can actually go to $8,000 to complete that 87%. It can actually go for 90%. I wouldn't be surprised if it does 90% and go to 5,000K. It is what it is, and then bottom out from here and start a bullish rally to the upside in the next coming future. But to me, guys, whatever this is, $9,198 is your technical target when you turn off the log scale. And these are in play, by the way. It doesn't matter really if you turn on the log scale or you turn off the log scale. So one thing I can say is, if I show you Gala, I did actually analyze Gala 4 to 5 months ago. The thing with turning off the log scale is that the log scale patterns do take quite some time to actually play out. So this was Gala here, and there was this, descending triangle, right? So descending triangle on a weekly time frame, and then it broke it out. So from the top there to the bottom, and when I placed it out, this was where it was looking to come. Look at it. It's coming all the way down to like minus 0.004643. Actually, this is not going to be so quite accurate. Now, log scale are a little bit dangerous, but you can see it's still coming down probably to even fill this level right over there. Now, so many people are saying that, oh, it went down, it started pumping, it went down, it pumped again, went down, pump again. But you can see it took a lot of few weeks until we're really not into that level right over there. So Bitcoin, when you turn off the log scale, can take quite some time, maybe by the end of the year, just like I show you Gala, because this is being looked at on a weekly time frame, right? So it's not looked at on a 15 minutes time frame. So what I mean to say is that maybe go down, maybe go up like this, go down, go up sideways until you don't really reach this level. If you do continue to make more bearish patterns, you can even continue to move way more to the downside, and that will be creating a lot of chaos. Now, I do believe that DXY has not done its part just yet. And look how bullish this really is. The DXY, super bullish, and you really have a lot of upside pending for DXY as well. You really have to come up here to that price level, and when you're gonna go up there, it's gonna scream really bad for Bitcoin, which means inflation is on the rise still. Man, I mean, I don't know what the hell is going on in the world, but this is just really sad to see a lot of things going up and up. And look at this one. Look at dominance of the USDT. The dominance of the USDT also has a pending target to go up here, okay, which is going to be 9.83%. So Bitcoin is not done just yet. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.